Welcome to Smart Stock Watch, your go-to channel for in-depth financial analysis. Today is January 24th, 2025, and we're diving into the latest earnings report from Metropolitan Bank Holding. Joining us is John, our senior analyst from Smart Stock Watch. John, thanks for being here.
Thank you for having me. Metropolitan Bank Holding has just released their fourth quarter and full year 2024 results, and there's a lot to unpack, from their strategic initiatives to their financial performance.
Revenue and profitability overview. Let's start with the top line. Metropolitan Bank Holding reported total revenues of $71 million for the fourth quarter of 2024. John, how does this compare to previous quarters?
Well, the revenue is slightly down from the previous quarter's $71.5 million, but up from $63.6 million in the same period last year. This growth is primarily driven by an increase in net interest income, which rose to $66.6 million, reflecting a higher average balance of loans and improved loan yields.
And what about profitability?
The net income for Q4 2024 was $21.4 million, translating to an adjusted EPS of $1.88, which is a significant increase from $1.08 in the previous quarter and $1.28 in the same quarter last year. The net interest margin also improved to 3.66%, indicating better cost management and loan performance.
Strategic initiatives and digital transformation. Metropolitan Bank Holding has been focusing on strategic initiatives. Can you tell us more about their progress, John?
Absolutely. The company successfully exited its banking-as-a-service (BaaS) business, which was a significant milestone. This move allowed them to replace associated deposits efficiently and focus on their core commercial banking operations. Additionally, their digital transformation initiative, Modern Banking in Motion, is progressing well and is expected to be completed by the end of 2025.
What does the leadership have to say about these initiatives?
CEO Mark DeFazio expressed optimism about the company's performance and future prospects. He highlighted the successful execution of these initiatives and the anticipated improvement in the operating environment, which sets the stage for enhanced performance in 2025.
Balance sheet and asset quality. Let's shift our focus to the balance sheet. How did Metropolitan Bank Holding perform in terms of loans and deposits?
As of December 31st, 2024, total loans stood at $6 billion, marking a 2.3% increase from the previous quarter and a 7.3% increase year over year. Total deposits also reached $6 billion, reflecting a 4.3% increase from the previous year, despite a decrease from the prior quarter due to the GPG wind-down.
And what about asset quality?
Asset quality remains stable, with the ratio of non-performing loans to total loans at 0.54%, slightly up from 0.53% in the previous quarter. This indicates that the bank is maintaining strong credit quality amidst its growth.
EPS forecast and analyst expectations. John, let's discuss the earnings per share. Analysts had forecasted an EPS of $1.49. How did the actual results compare?
Metropolitan Bank Holding exceeded expectations with an adjusted EPS of $1.88 for the fourth quarter. This is a substantial beat over the forecasted $1.49, which was based on a survey of one analyst. The strong EPS performance underscores the company's successful execution of its strategic initiatives and operational efficiencies.
Key takeaways. In summary, Metropolitan Bank Holding has delivered a strong performance in the fourth quarter of 2024, with significant improvements in profitability and strategic execution. John, any final thoughts on their investment prospects?
Metropolitan Bank Holding is well positioned for future growth thanks to its solid financial performance and strategic initiatives. The ongoing digital transformation and strong asset quality provide a positive outlook for investors.
Thank you, John, for your insights, and thank you to our viewers for tuning in. If you found this analysis helpful, please like, share, and subscribe to Smart Stock Watch. We'd love to hear your thoughts on Metropolitan Bank Holding's performance in the comments below.